Join me inside my writing yurt. Come on. Hi, this is Thomas, and welcome to Ask Cozy Grammar. It's raining here today, and so you may be able to hear the rain on the top of my cozy writing yurt, for which I am grateful, because the rain means that the fields and the forests are being nourished with water, so that they can grow food and trees and beauty. We have a lot of questions today, so let me dive right in. Our first question comes from Angie F., writing from Pittsburgh. And she asks, how do we sign on to the class? And what I wanted to do was to walk you through the process of logging into our website and going to your course. We've tried to make it as straightforward as possible, but it's always helpful to have a guide. And this is something we've been thinking about doing, so this gives us a perfect opportunity to do so. So I'm going to share my screen with you. So I'm going to walk you through. You've signed up for a course, I'm assuming. And now how do we log in? Well, on the website, at the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Login. You click on that, and that will take you to our login page. Now I have I'm going to log in under one of our administrative logins. And as soon as you type in your username, password, and the math question, because we like to throw in a little bit of cozy math to go along with cozy grammar, you'll come to our My Courses page. And this is where you have all of your course information. Here, you will see where you can register for our Ask Cozy Grammar Q&As. You'll also see the courses that you're signed up for, and the PDFs that you have access to, as well as any certificates you may have earned. And at the bottom of the page, you can also click the button to go to your account page, where you can change your name or change your address or do any of those logistical things you may need to do. But when you come here, and probably the first thing you will want to do is get started with one of our courses. So there are two ways to do this. The first way would be to go down the page to the course that you wanted to go to. In this case, let's say we want to go to the Basic Cozy Grammar course. You click on the course name or on the button there, and that will take you to the table of contents, and you can proceed through the course that way. However, I wanted to show you a special shortcut as well. Let me just go back one screen. Here we are back again at the My Courses page. Notice at the top of the Cozy Grammar website, there is, in our menu bar, over underneath My Courses, you can hover over the word My Courses, and you'll see whatever courses you're currently enrolled in, you can go directly to them there. And this is, in fact, probably the fastest way to go to the course that you want to be working in. So, for instance, here I can just go down again to the Basic Cozy Grammar course. I click there, and again, that takes me to the Basic Cozy Grammar course table of contents. And here you can, if you're just starting the course, we highly recommend you start with the preface, and then you can go from there to the introduction, and then the lessons themselves. So, that was a quick walkthrough of signing in or logging in to Cozy Grammar for the first time and getting started. I hope that helps to answer your question, Angie. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll be happy to answer those for you as well.